Do you know what separates a random trader from someone who actually makes money? Not luck, not gut feeling, not even their favorite indicator. It's having a system and discipline. I'm Alexander, a professional trader with over 6 years of experience. In that time, I didn't just learn how to profit from the markets, I built my life around it. Today, I manage my own time, trade with confidence, and share this approach with thousands of people. Today, I will show you how I work with MACD, how I set up my chart, how I wait for line crossovers, how I use price actions to filter out noise, and how I only enter trades when everything aligns. Hit the like button right now and subscribe. It helps the video reach more people, and YouTube will keep showing you practical breakdowns like this. And the coolest part, this isn't just my story. In my community, there are over 100,000 subscribers who share the results every single day. Some just reached constant profit for the first time, some finally stopped blowing up accounts out of emotion, and some are trading with me live and making profits in real time. If you want to get closer to the process, check out the Telegram channel. Every day I post real entry points, stream live trades from my own account, and break down subscriber trades. We grow together, learn together, and get stronger in the market. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Come join us. Setting up my workspace, everything needs to be minimal and clean. Switching to a 30 seconds time frame, candles chart, and adding a MACD with classic settings, making the lines a bit thicker so crossovers are clear. Marking nearby support and resistance levels to filter out false signals. And done. Okay, now let's find the first pair to trade. Okay, the first one is very interesting. Scrolling through pairs, looking for a cleaner picture. Here the market is moving steadily, MACD lines converging, possible impulses coming, and waiting for one more candle to avoid entering too early. Perfect. Signal confirmed, and going long with $150. Trade open. Well, this was a confident entry. MACD gave a clear crossover, candle confirmed the move. It's important not to rush. Wait for the signal first, trade closing profit. Great start, account is growing, and I'm feeling strong. Okay, the second trade, we are searching for the pair. Switching to United States dollar and Japanese yen, market trending down, smooth movement here. MACD shows continued bearish pressure, waiting for entry point. And candle confirms, and I go short for $120. Trade is running. Okay, in these situations, you must wait for both MACD crossover and price reaction to avoid fake pullbacks. Everything lined up, trend, signal, confirmation, another profitable trade, 2 trades, 2 wins, perfect rhythm. Okay, number 3. British pound and United States dollar stuck in a range, MACD near 0, usually a sign of an upcoming impulse, to be honest. We are watching closely to see direction. Okay, strong candle appears, MACD crosses, entering in candle's direction with $100. Love these moments when silence breaks into a move and MACD confirms it. Calm, logical entry with no extra risk. Trade close in profit. Perfect scenario. Okay, our number 4 trade. We're searching for pair. Okay, that's interesting. We're switching pairs. Market moving smoothly. MACD lines slowly converging. Price moving sideways, and likely preparing for a breakout. We are waiting for a confirmation, and the candle closes in my direction, and I go long here with $150. Clean technical setup, MACD cross, candle supported the move, level wasn't in the way, another profit, 4 in a row, great pace. So our 5th trade, pair is choppy, MACD gives early signal, candles unstable. I take the risk. Sometimes these setups still work. We're going short for $120 and let's see if price holds. Signal turned out to be false. Price reversed right after entry. That's loss. A reminder, even during a challenge, filter the noise and don't rush. So the 6th trade here, switching to a new pair. MACD, slowly climbing, candles trending smoothly here, much cleaner than before. Okay, waiting for candle close. Confirmation appears. I'm going long with $180. Wow, nice setup. MACD crossed, trend supported, price moved steadily, trade closed in profit. Perfect comeback after a loss. Our number 7 trade, we're switching for a pair, switching again, strong downtrend, MACD well below zero here, waiting for a pullback, don't want to enter at the very bottom. Correction candle appears, then another route, shorting with $200. Great trend trade. Waited for the pullback, called continuation, and profit. Clean work fully by the system. Okay, the market back in consolidation here. MACD near zero. Often this leads to strong impulse. Just need patience here. Sharp candle forms, MACD crosses, entering in the direction with $150. Perfect breakout from range. Price moved cleanly, no pullbacks, profit again, account growing strong. That's today's session, 8 trades, 1 loss, but overall we finished confidently in profit. And this is why I say, what matters is not one trade, but the entire system. MACD gives great entry points if you stay disciplined and avoid chaotic moments. Every day I do the same thing. Pick clean setups, wait for confirmation, then take the trade. That's how you grow your account steadily, even starting with just $100. If you want to see these trades live, not just in videos, join the Telegram channel. Every day I share ready-to-use entry points, stream live trades, and break down subscriber setups. People are already sending results, some trading profitably for the first time, some copying my trades on their account. Link in the description, guys, and pinned comment. Come on and join us. It's a real trader community growing together with me. See you in the channel and in the next video.